on then. Watch these holes. Big steering, ready? Keep it lined up, go on then, go for it, carry a bit of speed. Go on, full one then. That's it. Steady, steady. Steady, that's it, bit more. That's it, steady, steady, steady. Well done, you did it. Let's go steady, watch you steering.
I just want flat out, I don't care.
One bit more. Steady then.
I want just fall up that hill.
Go steady. Look where you're going.
No, I want flat out.
You did. Gotta keep going, look where you're going though.
Up that.
Turn right more, turn right more, turn right more. That's it, that's it. Bit more right, bit more right, bit more right. That's it, go on. Keep going, nice and steady. Steadier. Keep us on the road. Big left, big left. That's it, keep going. Take a bit off now, you got a bit too much on there. Go on, bit of throttle. Go on, a bit more. That's it, keep us on the road. Through the gap in the trees. Big turn right, more right, more right, more right, more right, more right. Go on, go on. He did knock all the branches down, yeah. Go on, keep going then.
Yeah, somebody's in your car. It's stuck. There's someone you.
There is now, yeah.